Hello, guys. Monsoon has already started, and you're still searching for the perfect weekend getaway? Don't worry, we have got your dream destination packed into just 4 days with misty mornings, waterfalls, ancient forts, fresh strawberries, and scenic drives through the Western Ghats. Yes, from the charm of Lonavala's lush green valleys to the heights of Mahabaleshwar's breathtaking viewpoints, this is the ultimate 3 night, 4 day itinerary that gives you thrill, chill, and a little bit of everything in between. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you will have your complete itinerary for the trip. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps this video reach more travelers like you. And I am Anup from Traveler Hunt. Let's get started. Both Mahabaleshwar and Lonavala are the popular hill stations in India and also top places to visit in Maharashtra. How to reach these hill stations? As these two hill stations are located in Maharashtra, they are well connected via road and rail. The nearest big cities are Mumbai and Pune, making them ideal access points. From major cities of India, you can take a flight to Pune or Mumbai airport, then hire a taxi or take a bus to reach these two hill stations. Lonavala has its own railway station, well connected to Mumbai, Pune, and other major cities of India. You can take a train to Satara or Pune, then a taxi or bus to reach Mahabaleshwar. Both hill stations are well connected by road from Mumbai and Pune. Types of accommodation. Both Mahabaleshwar and Lonavala offer a wide range of stay options like budget hotels and guest houses. The price starting from 800 to 2000 per night. Mid-range hotels and resorts which starts from 2000 to 5000 per night. Luxury resorts and villas 6000 to 20000 per night. Even you can go for homestays, farm stays, Airbnb and vacation rentals based on your budget. Travel tips for staying in Mahabaleshwar and Lonavala. Book in advance during weekends and holiday seasons. Carry cash because some remote hotels might not accept cards or UPI. Check for parking space if you are self driving and check the recent reviews for service quality and cleanliness. So, let's start with the itinerary from day 1 to day 4. Day 1, Pune to Mahabaleshwar. Start your journey from Pune and head straight to Mahabaleshwar, a 3 to 4 hours drive covering a distance of approximately 130 kilometers filled with lush landscapes and ghat roads. After reaching Mahabaleshwar, you can visit Mahabaleshwar Temple, which is approximately 6 kilometers from Mahabaleshwar bus stand. The place where the temple resides is known as Old Mahabaleshwar. The place Mahabaleshwar is home to three temples: Mahabaleshwar Temple, Panchganga Temple, and Krishnabai Temple. This Mahabaleshwar temple is around 800 years old, while the Swayambhu Shivalinga within the temple is believed to be much older. According to Puranas, two demons named Atibal and Mahabal in Sayadri mountains troubled sages and human beings. Sages pleaded Lord Vishnu to save them from those two demons. Then Lord Vishnu fought with them and killed only Atibal as Mahabal was blessed. Then sages prayed to Lord Shiva and pleased with their devotion, Lord Shiva killed Mahabal. Then Lord Shiva stayed there. Then the place was named as Mahabaleshwar. Here, Shivlingam will be in the form of Rudraksha. After Mahabaleshwar temple, you can visit Panchganga temple. Here, you will witness five rivers Krishna, Venna, Koina, Savitri, and Gayatri are said to emerge from the mouth of a cow shaped stone. Next to Panchganga temple, you can visit Krishnabai temple. In this temple, you will witness the source of Krishna river. The temple also has a Shivalingam where you can take blessings. Next, you can visit Elfine Stone Point, which is 5 kilometers from Krishnavai temple. This place offers a stunning views of the Koina Valley to the left and the Savitri River to the right. You can also have a look at the great Pratapgarh Fort and the lush green hills of the Western Ghats from here. Next, you can visit Savitri Point, which is 2.2 kilometers from Elphinstone Point. It is also called a suicide point. This is the place where Savitri River originated from, which is located at the top of a hill where you can see the view of Savitri River and its valley. Next, you can visit Arthur Point, which is 750 meters from Savitri Point. This point was named after Sir Arthur Mallet, a British officer who used to visit this location frequently in the 19th century. It is said that Arthur Mallet would come here to look at the valley below, mourning the loss of his wife and young daughter, who drowned in this Savitri River. At this point, you can clearly see one side is Konkan Valley and the other side is the Deccan Plateau. Next, you can visit Bombay Point, which is 15 kilometers from Arthur Point. It is a point where you can see the beautiful sunset over the valleys below. This point is ideal for couples and for families along with their children to enjoy picnic. The day one ends with the beautiful sunset at Bombay Point and return to Mahabaleshwar and overstay night at the hotel. At night, you can explore the local market in Mahabaleshwar. Day 2, Mahabaleshwar sightseeing. After breakfast, you can start heading towards Lodwig Point, which is 2 kilometers from Mahabaleshwar. This point is also known as Sydney Point. The point was built in honor of General Peter Lodwig, who was the first British officer to climb this place in April 1824. This is how this place gets the name. Next, you can visit Venna Lake, which is 3.8 kilometers from Lodwig Point. The lake was constructed by Sri Appa Sahib Maharaj in 1842, who was the ruler of Satara. The place was surrounded by lush green trees. You can enjoy boat ride in the lake, and here you can also enjoy the horse ride. Next, you can visit Elephant's Head Point and Kate's Point. Kate's Point was referred to as Neck Kind earlier, named after the daughter of Sir John Malcolm, who was the ex British governor. It is a great place to spend some time with your loved one. Another popular vantage point is Elephant's Head Point, also known as Needles Point, situated next to Kate's Point. The overhanging cliffs look similar to the head of an elephant and its trunk. You can enjoy the view of the Sahyadri mountain range from this point. Next, you can visit Lingmala waterfall, which is 4.8 kilometers from Kate's Point. This waterfall is formed by the Venna River. There are two waterfalls. One is a mini waterfall and the other is the main waterfall, which falls from a height of 500 feet. The mini waterfall is safe for swimming and playing in the water. You can reach this viewpoint by taking a walk for 30 minutes. There is no possible way to get into the water at the main falls, and it is also very dangerous. But the visitors can get beautiful views of the waterfall from the viewpoint. Next, you can visit Mapro Garden, which is 8 kilometers from Lingmala waterfall. At Mapro Garden, you can enjoy some refreshing atmosphere surrounded by beautiful flowers, strawberry fields, and lush greenery. The garden also features a cave serving various delicious dishes, including wood fired pizzas, sandwiches, and mouth watering fruit based desserts. The day 2 ends with enjoying delicious dishes at Mapro Garden, return to Mahabaleshwar, and an overnight stay at the hotel. Day 3, Mahabaleshwar to Lonavala road trip. Check out the hotel in Mahabaleshwar and start a road trip journey to Lonavala, a 4-hour drive covering a distance of approximately 179 kilometers. After checking into the hotel and after lunch, you can visit Lonavala Lake. The lake was built in 1876. Indrayani River is the source of water for this lake. During monsoon season, the lake is filled with water. The scenery of this lake looks very beautiful during that season. Next, you can visit Karla Caves, which is 13 kilometers from Lonavala Lake. The Karla Caves are the complex of ancient Buddhist Indian rock cut caves. These caves are a beautiful example of Indian rock cut architecture with massive prayer halls, intricate carvings, and symbols of peace and meditation. Next, you can visit Lions Point and Tigers Point, which is 13 kilometers from Karla Caves. It is a popular viewpoint known for its panoramic views of the surrounding lush green hills and valleys, especially during the monsoon season when waterfalls cascade down the hillsides. Tigers Point owes its name to its resemblance to the figure of a leaping tiger. It offers spectacular views of forests, lush vegetation, waterfalls, and surrounding lakes. The sunrise and sunset views from here are mesmerizing. Next, you can visit Bushi Dam, which is 6 kilometers from Tigers Point. The place is known for its scenic beauty, especially during the monsoon season. The dam was built with the stone masonry on the river Indrayani. It was built in 1860s to provide water to the steam engines of the Great Indian Peninsular Railway. Next, you can visit Rajmachi Point, which is 11 kilometers from Bushi Dam. This point got its name from Rajmachi Fort of the Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji, located opposite this point. The point offers spectacular views of Rajmachi Fort, the surrounding valley, and waterfalls. You can have a clear view of the expressway from here. Day 3 ends with enjoying the views of the expressway and waterfalls. Return to Lonavala and an overnight stay at the hotel. Day 4 Lonavala sightseeing and travel back to Pune. Check out the hotel in Lonavala and start heading towards Wax Museum. Here you can have a glance at some wax statues of Saddam Hussein, film stars, Mahatma Gandhi, Chhatrapati Shivaji, etc. Next, you can visit Baja Caves, which is 13 kilometers from Wax Museum. The Baja Caves are similar to the Karla Caves in style and architectural designs. Next, you can visit Lohagarh Fort, which is 3 kilometers from Baja Caves. Lohagarh Fort, also known as the Iron Fort, is a historic hill fort. It's a popular trekking destination known for its stunning views of the Sahyadri mountain range and its rich history. The highlight of the fort trek is the Vinchup Kata fortification resembling a scorpion's tail. This structure is situated outside of the main section of the fort and requires an additional 15 to 20 minutes of walking to reach the edge. Next, you can visit Pavna Lake, which is 16 kilometers from Lohagarh Fort. This lake is famous for its beautiful location, clear water, and being a popular spot for camping, trekking, and water sports. It also offers scenic views of the surrounding hills and valleys. Day 4 ends by visiting Pavna Lake and you can travel back to Pune. With this itinerary, the trip ends with beautiful memories. If this itinerary made your trip planning easier, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You have got more weekend escapes and hill station guides coming soon.